What are you doing, Momo? Oh yeah, you stacking your books? Yeah, you're stacking them. You like to stack your books? Yeah, you're making it big? Are you building? Yeah.
Nathan Bulmer, please tell us what to do. What, like now or more gentle, like the rest of your lives? Now,
Yeah.
staying true and salvation will find you. And for the rest of your lives.
You just like to stack them books, huh? You could do this for hours.
This is my book. Remember the animal?
And Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yep.
That glow animal? I found the book. It is my book.
You eat your book? Yeah, you ate the book.
And Mom,
What,
I
baby?
never named it.
Zachary, inside voice.
I never named it.
Inside voice, you're yelling at me. Well, your sister made a big pile of books, huh? Uh-oh, they're gonna fall. Uh-oh.
See, this is what happens when you have too much freedom, boys. Whatever.
What's brother watching? Sanjay and Craig. Yep, he's watching Craig. You almost done stacking your books? That's a lot of books there, child. Are you reading? No. You're such a good book stacker.
No.
And this is how we stack books for hours on end.
They say his magic erasers tackle so many.
I was doing it wrong. When you get it to him,
Zachary, inside voice.
it's gonna fall down.
Good stuff too. Like scuffed up
Okay, I think we're done.